Good evening, everyone. It is the 14th of April, 2025. There's our sunset for today. It was a beautiful, beautiful day. It was 17 degrees on the west coast of Okanagan Lake. You can see it is clear skies, puppy dogs, and fresh cut grass. There's snow on Little White. Oops, sorry. And yeah, a beautiful day in the Okanagan. Decorating up the deck, a little bit of plants, and it's deck time in the OK. It didn't get up to 20, but it got up to 17, so we're doing something right. Oh, there it is. Trying to get the crow. Uh-oh. Hopefully he doesn't attack me. He's coming right over. Oh, shit. Don't drop a bomb. Look out. Oh, missed it. Missed it by that much. Anyways, take care, stay safe. There you go. Wow, that was close. Anyways, anything to report? Probably the moon tonight. We'll see what happens. Peace out.